Hello techies, this is Miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Tech Valor. And for today's video, we will go over how to activate push notifications from our Tech Valor community. Our community push notifications is one of the many features we have to keep you up to date with our tech conversations. Instead of inundating your email inbox with notifications about replies to comments or mentioning you in a topic, you can now get notifications from your browser. This works with Android and Microsoft Windows devices. I'm sorry, iOS users. The browser push notifications are not currently compatible with your platform, but we hope to do so in the near future. I will show you the Tech Valor browser push notification in action, how to activate it, and customize the types of notifications you receive. Action. Here I am logged into our Tech Valor community, and look, a push notification just popped up. It tells you that it is from Tech Valor, the action that was performed, who performed it, and the title of the topic. When you click on the push notification, it takes you to the corresponding post. The same thing happens in mobile. Whenever you log into Tech Valor and check off the Keep Me Logged In box, you will be logged in for up to 3 days. While you are logged in, you will get push notifications relative to your activity on the site. If you close the Tech Valor page without logging out, you can still get push notifications. And this also works in mobile. If you close your browser, you will still get push notifications. The only way you will no longer get push notifications is if you manually log out, get automatically logged out after 3 days, or simply turn off push notifications. Activate browser push notifications. When you create your account and first sign into the community, you will get a pop-up asking you if you allow your browser to send push notifications from Tech Valor. After you accept, you will now receive notifications. You can manually turn it on or off. In desktop mode, you can either click on the notification bell and toggle browser notification on or off. You can also go to the control panel, board preferences, edit notification options, toggle it on or off, and then go down to the bottom and click submit. The process is also similar on mobile. Tap on the hamburger menu, your username, control panel, board preferences, edit notification option, toggle browser notification on or off, and then go down to the bottom and tap submit. Customize notifications. You might not want to get notifications about all types of things that happen in the community. So go back to the place where you can manually turn push notifications on or off. Scroll down to the many types of notifications you can receive, and go ahead and check and uncheck to your liking. I personally turn off all email notifications. Don't forget to hit the submit button when you're done. If you are not already a member, please join. We'd love to chat and interact with you about tech, problem solving, and life. Our community is getting bigger and better every day. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and share this video with others. And while you're here, please subscribe. And as always, stay curious, techies.